Hello everyone, welcome to my art channel. This is my very first vlog, so I'm very happy you're here with me. So stay with me and let's rock drawing. We're gonna make it really simple so everybody can start easily. Now get your pencil. This is my pencil that I'm going to use. This is graphite pencil. I use graphite pencil because it's easier to darken the lines and it's easier to shade. There are other kinds of pencil with different shades. We're going to tackle it later on, but we're just gonna make it really simple today and we're going to focus on this pencil. Next, I use Q-tip for blending. You can use tissue paper or cotton balls as long as you don't use your hands because you have oils on your hands and you don't want to smear your drawing. Next, I use a very good eraser. That's a tip that I'm going to tell you because if you have a good eraser, when you had a mistake, like, something that you just don't want in the drawing, then you can erase it neatly because you want your drawing to be neat and you don't want your shade to smear the drawing. So let's start. I have here a drawing that I would like to draw or redraw. Well, when I see a drawing, I look at the shapes. What are the shapes in it? I look at the lines. How are the lines lined? Should I say it like that? Anyway, so I see here a curve, triangle, curve, triangle, curve, curve, triangle, and then curve and connect here. And then I put veins inside to make it kind of natural. Also, when you are drawing, it is very important to know that hand and eye coordination is really critical, as much as how you hold the pencil, because in holding the pencil, you have to hold it from the very tip 2 inches, around 2 inches from the very tip. And then you have to lean on your wrist so that you can maneuver the pencil and have a control of it. So let's start. Again, this is our drawing, our goal today. We're going to start with a line. It's kind of curved. Let's do it. Curve, triangle, curve, triangle, curve, triangle, and then connect. Okay? There are no mistakes in drawing. The only mistakes is if you don't want a certain line or something in the drawing. Then I will put veins here. Veins, veins. Easy, right? But it's too bare. So let's shade it. When I shade a triangle shape, I start at the corner. But before you shade, you have to darken the lines first if you are sure of the shape already. Okay, so again, just relax and enjoy drawing. There are no mistakes in drawing as long as you like your drawing. So let's do it. I like the shape of this. It is just the right size that I want, and I am darkening it. So you can see, that's it, right? We're not done yet. We're gonna make it more dramatic by shading. As I told you, I start at the corner. When I do my shading, one tip I'm gonna tell you is I do it like a check. Check, 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 check. You see here it's dark and it becomes lighter as it goes on the end. So dark to light. Check, 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 right? So you can do it downwards too. Check, check, check. And that's what I'm doing right now here. So from the corner, just check, check, check. dark from the side, darken it on the lines, on the corner. And as you go it becomes repetitive and you get the practice. But that's the art therapy actually. When it relaxes you and you do things repetitive by shading it, doing the check thing that I'm doing. Just enjoy drawing. It's your art therapy. So in corners of the veins here, I also put some shades. There you go. And then we're going to blend it. I have my Q-tip. And you hold it like this. Kind of like 1.5 or 1 1/4 inches away from the very tip. And smoothly blend it. Okay. Now in sketching, there is a very important thing that I have to tell you. In sketching, you have two sides, dark and light. Here I have dark, I have light. Sometimes you want your drawing to have a light on this side and dark on this side, or vice versa. But in this case, I want it on top of the leaf. So maybe I'm imagining the sun rays is on top of the leaf. So if you want a little bit more light, I use the end eraser of the pencil just for now to make things easier. If you want more contrast and more effect, dramatic effect of the light and the dark, just a little bit. Sorry, kind of blow it like that. And then blend it a bit more. See? Easy. As a starter, you do this, that's really good. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you learned a bit or more, and we'll do our journey together in art and enjoy art. Thank you for your love of art. I hope you learned something, and please subscribe and like, and thank you again. Bye.